Have you ever wondered about the true ownership of the banks we interact with daily? Specifically, is Lloyds a government bank? It's a question that often comes up, especially when we recall the turbulent times of the 2008 financial crisis. Back then, many major banks, including Lloyds, found themselves in a precarious position, and governments around the world stepped in to prevent a catastrophic collapse. This intervention led to significant changes in the banking landscape, sparking questions about state ownership and influence. To truly understand if Lloyds is a government bank today, we need to rewind a bit and examine what happened during the 2008 financial crisis. As the global financial system teetered on the brink, the UK government implemented a massive bailout package. This wasn't just about handing out cash, it involved the government taking significant equity stakes in several struggling banks to stabilize them and protect the wider economy. Lloyds Banking Group, which had recently acquired HBOS, was one of the banks that received substantial government support. As a result, the UK government acquired a 43% stake in Lloyds Banking Group. This meant, for a period, the government was indeed a major shareholder, giving it considerable influence, even if not outright control. However, the government's intention was never to be a long-term owner of Lloyds. The stake was a temporary measure, a lifeboat thrown to a struggling industry. The plan was always to return the bank to full private ownership once stability was restored and market conditions allowed for it. This process began gradually in 2013, with the government selling off its shares in tranches. These sales were conducted through various methods, including accelerated book builds and trading plans, where shares were drip-fed into the market. The goal was to achieve the best possible value for the taxpayer, recouping the funds invested during the crisis. So, where does that leave us today? The answer is clear: Lloyds is not a government bank. The UK government successfully completed the sale of its entire holding in Lloyds Banking Group in May 2017. This marked a significant milestone, returning the bank to full private ownership for the first time in nearly a decade. While the government's intervention was crucial in preventing a deeper economic crisis, it was a temporary measure, and Lloyds now operates as a privately owned financial institution. Its shares are publicly traded on the London Stock Exchange, and it is owned by a diverse range of institutional and individual shareholders, not the government. The legacy of the bailout remains a part of its history, but its current ownership structure is firmly in the private sector. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.